Go on break. Yeah.
We're on break. We finally made it to Biloxi, Mississippi. Say something, honey.
Que vuelta, mi hermano.
Que vuelta, mi hermano. So we stopped here for gas. Oh, this is our little dog. This is our traveling dog.
Her name is
Taco
Joel.
G.
Her name is
Yeah,
Joel.
Taco G.
Taco Joel.
Her name is Gia Marie. Because she
sounds
was,
like a
you
G.
know, she was born in Miami, but she was raised in Tallahassee. Sorry.
She was raised in Tallahassee.
I guess she doesn't like that. You were raised in Tallahassee. That's why your name is Gia Marie. Say hi, Gia Marie. Say hi. Hi. Tell them this is my second time in the truck. Oh, yes. Yo hablo español. Yo hablo español. Yes, you know.
She says my name is Joel.
What's your name?
Joel.
My name is Joel.
My name is Joel. I smell like a Joel.
She's not the nicest dog. All her life she's been taught to secure loads and, you know, get prepared for her true job and her true calling, which is to be on the truck, like her papa. Yeah.
Taco
She's
Joel.
14 years old. She still trucks like she was 2. Yeah.
Her name is Joel.
Yeah, her name is Jay. Anyways. So we're about to put fuel. I've never been in this truck stop. Oh.
Yes, I have. This is why I got some feet.
Yes. Which brings me to my next topic.
Have you seen my
It's
gloves?
not the healthiest one. Yes, your gloves is
So I can put some baby.
gotta help him find the gloves, but they're somewhere around
Talking
here.
about fuel.
What?
Babe, you see my fuel card?
T. This one?
There.
Fuel card.
I was about to say, man, nos quedamos sin fuel. Nos quedamos sin fuel, hermano.
Do you want to show the people how you feel?
You want to get down and do it with me?
I can't find. Okay, fine. We can
I
do
need
that.
the gloves, babe.
I don't know where your gloves
We need this
are.
quick because
There's
we
people
got
who
low hours in our 14.
do. We got low hours in our 14. Whatever that means. No, it means when you say that, what does that mean?
That if we don't get to that loves within the 14 hours that I gotta work, we're gonna be shut down on the side of the road.
Let me help this man find his gloves then. We'll be right back.